thinking that might be too much. So, that's the plan for today. So we'll go ahead and go over this bell ringer. A little bigger. So it seems like most of y'all got this right. Which is very good. Seems like most people got this right. So you could split this into two different inequalities. You can take this chunk right here and make it one, or you can take this part and make it another, and then solve them separately. But I'm going to solve them, or solve it just like it is. Well, the way you do that, well, if you subtract 1, well, you want to get x by itself here in the middle. Well, to do that, I need to move this 1 over. What I mean, I need to subtract 1 on this side, as well as this side over here. So it's on all 3 sides, the middle, the right, and the left. Well, once you do that, that cancels. You're left with negative 5x. Well, 46 minus 1 is 45. Negative 54 minus 1, they're both negative. So my answer is going to be negative, and if they're both negative, you just add, so 54 plus 1 is 55. Well, from there, you got to get x by itself. Once I do that, divide all sides by negative 5. That will cancel here. Well, since you just divided by a negative, you have to flip the sign, right? Well, not just one sign, all of the signs. From there, just do your division. 45 divided by negative 5 is negative 9. And negative 55 divided by negative 5 is positive 11. This can also be written as, because right now it's from biggest to smallest, and usually it's written from smallest to biggest. So as long as the mouth of the inequality is still facing the same way, I can rearrange it. Well, if the point is facing the x there, those two things are the same inequalities, just written different ways. So on this one, there were actually 2 correct answers. There was the third one here, which is what you would get if you just solved it like that, so you didn't have to do any rearranging. And the other one that was correct was the second one, which is the other way of writing it. So that is an and inequality. So today, and on your delta math, you'll be doing this, as well as graphing your solution when you're done. Well, if we were to graph this, I didn't ask you to, but if you were,